Are you planning to invite your parents or relatives to Canada on a super visa or visitor visa? Before you apply, there's one important thing you must get right, the invitation letter. In this video, I will show you exactly how to write step by step based on official IRCC guidelines. At the end of the video, I will show you my sample invitation letter, so please watch the video till end. Hello everyone, welcome back on another video, and you guys are watching Paritello Canada. Today we are diving into the detailed video of how to write an invitation letter for Canada Super Visa or Visitor Visa. I will explain everything you need to know in simple words. I have mentioned timestamps in the description down below. If you want to watch any specific topic, the viewers who are new here, please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload new videos. So without wasting any time, let's get started. What is an invitation letter? An invitation letter is a personal letter written by someone in Canada, either a PR, Canadian citizen, work permit, study permit, inviting a family member or a friend to visit. This letter doesn't guarantee a visa approval, but it's a requirement supporting documents for many applications, including super visa and visitor visa. What must be included in the invitation letter? According to IRCC official website, the invitation letter should include both personal and visitor details, details about the person being invited, your parents or relatives, full name, date of birth, complete address and phone number, relationship to you, for example, father and mother, purpose of the visit, for example, family visit, sightseeing, helping with childcare, duration of the visit, for example, 6 months or 1 year, where they will stay and how expenses will be covered when they plan to leave Canada. Details about you, the person inviting, full name, status in Canada, either PR, Canadian citizen, work permit, study permit, date of birth, Canadian address and phone number, job title, employer and proof of income, family members in your household, a declaration that you will take responsibility for their stay, signature and date. There are some extra requirements for super visa invitation letter. If you are applying for a super visa for parents or grandparents, the letter must also include a promise of financial support, a number of people in your household, a copy of your PR card or Canadian passport, proof that your income meets the low income cutoff, proof that the visitor has medical insurance from a Canadian company valid for 1 year. Invitation letter should be notarized. It's always not required, but for super visa applications, it's strongly recommended to get the letter notarized. Tips for writing your letter: keep it simple, polite and factual. Use clear language, avoid confusing or emotional terms. Include your contact information in case the visa officer wants to follow up. Guys, this is a sample invitation letter that I made for myself, but if you want, you can use it on the top statutory declaration in the matter of issuance of super visa / visitor visa to Canada. You could choose one of these if you're applying for super visa or applying for a visitor visa to Canada Immigration and Citizenship applicants. So in this section, it could be your parents, your grandparents or your siblings or your relatives. So their name, date of birth and their passport number and their address. Please enter the address that is mentioned in their passport. Scroll down. Please enter your name here, your status in Canada and the full address, and if you're married, your spouse name, their status and the address. And also please mention the employment here. I am employed full-time as a position with the company name. Enter the company name here and in which province they're located. Same thing with your spouse, their position, company name and which province they are located. Together we earn a stable monthly income sufficient to sponsor my parents. Scroll down, purpose of visit. We would like to invite my parents, your parents' name, to visit us in Canada from time period. Please enter the time period they'll be staying in Canada. And then second point, third point, and then fourth one, ties to home country. My parents are Indian citizens with strong ties to India. My father, your father's name here, is a farmer and owns agriculture and residential properties of good value. They also possess sufficient financial savings to support their trip to Canada. Relevant supporting documents are attached with this declaration. Accommodation and expenses. During their stay, my parents will reside with us at our home address. We will take full responsibility for all the expenses, including accommodation, food, local transportation, medical needs, and other any personal or travel related costs. Scroll down. Conclusion. We, your name and your spouse name, hereby declare that we meet all the requirements to sponsor my parents under the Super Visa or Visitor Visa program. We humbly request you to consider their application and kindly issue a Super Visa or Visitor Visa for the above mentioned time period. Should you require any further information or clarification, I can be reached at. Please enter your phone number here. Thank you for your attention and support. Sincerely, please enter your name and your spouse name. Always sign and date the letter. Attach any supporting documents like proof of your income, job letter, and a PR citizenship copy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. If you have any questions or topics you would like me to cover, leave a comment down below. Until next time, take care. Thank you.